Hi, it's TJ Brown. Today we're going to make bone broth iced coffee. Don't forget to comment on how you like to brew your coffee. Do you use a French press? What do you use? And what's your favorite coffee brand? I like Cafe Bustelo. You can buy it on Amazon. I'll put the link in my description. Don't forget to save those coffee pods. You can use those coffee pods for your plants and make your own homemade fertilizer. I know I'm getting off topic, but it's so important. Your plants will love you for it. Trust me. You gotta do it right away. Okay, let's get back to the topic at hand. We're making coffee. So we're gonna make bone broth iced coffee. Ooh, how about some merch? Get your favorite coffee cup. Let's go. Why collagen? Okay, so collagen, it supports your joints, gut, skin elasticity. Protein, you're going to get muscle retention, tissue repair, appetite control, and cinnamon, perfect for your heart health, antioxidant, gut health, blood sugar control. Ginger soothes indigestion, eases arthritis pain. Whoop woo, cloves, antioxidant, anti-inflammation, oral health. If you have bad breath, you need some cloves. Turmeric reduces inflammation, happy heart, antioxidant, and aids brain function. Why pepper? It will increase absorption up to 200%, people. So try coconut milk instead. It's going to help with weight management and your metabolism. And you got to have nutmeg. It's also an anti-inflammatory. Yes. So let's go. Freshly brewed coffee. It smells so good. Add a full scoop of your collagen bone broth mix. It smells so good. Ooh, yes. All right, we're gonna add turmeric now. Spice it up, people. 1 teaspoon. All right, that's perfect. Yes, anti-inflammatory. Yes, all of these things, a quarter teaspoon. You don't want too much of the cloves. Customize it. What would you add? Please comment. I'm sure you have your own great ideas. So now we're going to add some ginger. Soothes indigestion, eases arthritis pain, supports immune health. Woo woo! It is a powerful spice. For sure. Oh, I love it. It's time to sweeten the deal. What do you use? Any kind of sweetening alternatives? I like honey. What do you use? So put it in the comment section. Yum. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. Oh, you're going to need a handheld frother. Well, you don't need it, but I like to have it. I like to blend and make it all frothy and mix everything up together. Leave a comment if you like using one of these handheld mixers. Okay? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's take it to the next level now, people. We are going to get your favorite glass. How about an insulated cup if you're on the go? Scoop of ice, put it in there. It needs more ice. I never put enough ice in there. And then let it cool, people. I don't know what I had in my head at the time, but it needs to cool a little bit. Otherwise, the ice is gonna melt, of course, right? And get all watery. It was still really good though. So stir. Keep stirring. It's gonna melt. I need more ice. Oh my gosh. Ice, baby. Add more ice. I'm gonna need even more than this. Can you believe it? Still needs ice. All right, so here's the perfect part. Pour in the cream or your coconut milk, okay? Coconut milk would be better. I didn't have any. Wait, hold up. That was so pretty. Let's do that again. It's like art. Do you see it? Exquisite art. Beautiful art, like a Mona Lisa. All right, so now stir. Look at that. The final touches, here we go. Final touches, nutmeg, okay? Nutmeg. Just a little sprinkle, you don't need too much. Do you smell it? Oh my goodness. So many health benefits with this drink. Stir. It's ready, people. It's ready. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I have other videos. I also have a website coming up soon, so check in the description for all of this great information. And thank you so much for watching. See you next time.